Morning, chaps and chapesses. We're about 3 miles in, and look at this, lovely. Bit coming off the sides there. It's a beautiful day, absolutely stunning day. Look at this. Well, I'm en route to Danny's today, and hopefully I can catch up with all my YouTubing, because I've been out of comms for a while. It's a beautiful day though today, absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to have a gentle stroll into Glasgow. The Highlands are behind me, and I stayed in a place called Drymen yesterday, but when I said, "Oh, I'm glad to be here in Drymen," they went, "It's not Drymen, it's Drimmen." I went, "Oh, okay." So I've again been getting elocution lessons from the locals. They call it Drimmen. Drimmen. To me it's still Drymen, but there you go. What do I know? I know nothing at all. Anyway, beautiful, lovely day. Hopefully I'm going to be with plenty of comms from now on. So it'll only be today, hopefully, that I'm catching up on everything. Oh, hang on a second, let's see if we can up the pace a bit. Oh, bloody, stop doing this running shit. I'm sure there's a lovely mountain behind that hedge. Well, it'll be a small one, won't it? Oh, and I've got to go that way. Oh, look. There we go. Look at that. Oh, beauty. I'll check my map because I am just there. See that little pointy bit? I just can't see where my thumb is, where it's going that way. That's where I've got to go. And that mountain looks over that way as well, doesn't it? But the contours aren't showing many big things at all. So anyway, I'll say bye now. Oh, this is also called the John Muir Way. So deep joy. Right, say bye, chaps and chaps. Bye Pip, bye Pip, bye Pip.